Hey Derek, hope your day is busy and successful. This is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. Now, I spoke earlier, so I said I was going to show you 3 things that we can do today to help bring more customers to your business with Duct Hunt LLC. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why I should do this. Well, here's why. Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business, learning how the internet can benefit them and their company. Now, sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. But I found by giving people an easy attack plan of things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hand saying, "Can you do this for me, Sergio?" And I say, yeah, sure, why not? Well, if by the end of the video you like what you hear, you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers, then you can shoot me a message and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. After watching the remainder of the video, I would appreciate some feedback or even a review on Google if you find the topics I cover important or even valuable to you, so I may show others as well. But before you try to do that, and try to do this yourself, please let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I have to go over is you need to get a website. No, but you need to get your business optimized by getting at least 1,500 words on your homepage. So in comparison to one of your competitors, since you don't have a page, I'll be going over Midwest Duct Cleaning, and they have about 1,200 words on their homepage. Now these words are filled with keyword-rich content. Now, this is still very beatable, but this shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse authority for Google. And every month, people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number 1. And in turn, you're missing out on potential clients and money. So I'm going to pull up a tool called Ahrefs, and it shows what a site is actually dense with. So I'll be showing you the analytics of your competitor with Midwest Duct Cleaning. Now, so they say they have 130 backlinks, 43 referring domains, and 263 organic keywords. It's bringing in a total of 219 people per month to their website and a total value of $2,000 a month. Now, this is not closing rate, so this is average of what they get from the analytics from their homepage. Going deeper into keywords, though, I'm going to show you some golden keywords I like to go for, and ones that you should also go for. So Air Duct Clean Kansas City. That's one of the major ones I like because it has the either service or niche that you're in, and then it has the city. And these are buyer intent keywords. The reason why they are golden because they bring you money, and whenever they search for it, they're looking for a service to buy. Now going into volume, KD, cost per click, traffic, and position, you always want your position to be number 1. But since this guy isn't, he's not getting as much value as he would out of this keyword if he was number 1. So say he was number 1 for the duct cleaning near me, right? Number 1. He'd be probably bringing at least a third of this total volume being searched for this keyword. That's probably around like 4,000 people going to his site. Now, since he's only 18th position, he's getting 61 people from this keyword because he's in 18th position. It's probably because it's a 41 KD out of 100. Now, KD is how hard it is to rank. The rank is between 0 and 100. 0 being the easiest, 100 being the hardest. Now, volume. I already said a little bit about the volume, but volume is how many times this keyword, or any of these keywords, is searched per month. So now you know a little bit about what goes into the keyword, how it helps your content, and what you can do with it. Let's go on to the next optimization section, and this is the second most important thing I like to talk about. We call this Google Map Pack or even Maps. So I did a search for Kansas City Duct Cleaning because it's a broad search with a city and a niche. But you can see each business has its own tab. Inside the tab is a business name, there's a business address, and business phone number. Now we call that NAPS, name, address, phone number. Now the best way you can do this on your own is getting those reviews up. I can't lie, this is the best way. See, this guy right here has 5-star reviews, 57. This guy below him has 37. But see, now they probably have more this guy probably has more reviews but less citations. So to answer your question to what a citation is, that you probably had, a citation is your NAPS. Now these NAPS were submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation. You can see Midwest Duct Cleaning has about 35 citation sources, right? Now down here you can see where his citations are coming from and how many he has in each one. But not all of which will be credible citations because it's not credible for Google to list as a authority site. So this is how you get the best bang for your buck from getting citations is going through these and putting all your information in, name, address, phone number, same as your Google My Business account. So, the next thing I like to go over is your backlinks. The third thing I said we're going to do is backlinks. Now, this is really important because this is what gives a site authority. We also call it link juice. But when I do a search for Kansas City duct cleaning, right? I go back. You see how you have all the ads that people are paying for, and each click costs them money. Just FYI. Depending on what keyword they put for the click is like how much to pay for the click. Now you have the Google Map Pack, and then right here you have the organic listing. Now this is where you want to be. You want to beat out the Midwest, AbMed, Kansas City Clean Air, Yelp, or not even Yelp. You know what Yelp is. American Duct Cleaning. Yeah. Anyways, you want to beat all of these out and be on the first page. Now this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to be out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, somebody put it works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like the link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest. But there is a little more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at it. So, let's say for example, if you have relative sites, say American Duct Cleaning Incorporated linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you, or like a mechanic linking back to you. Now, I'll pull up Ahrefs again, and if you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month, and it's great for checking out any link juice and keywords that any sites may have to offer. Going into their backlinks, they have about 130 listing, and looking down, you see where the site's coming from, where they're going to, what their anchor text is, which is usually, if they're doing the marketing right, is a keyword. That way you can rank it on their homepage or wherever the link is going to be going to. Now, the cool thing is you can keep scrolling down, keep scrolling down, keep scrolling down, and you can go to 1, 2, 3, just sometimes all the way to like 50. I found some sites, and you take every single one and do them for your site. Now, that's the best way you can do it, easiest way you can do it independently. The three things we went over today: content, citations, and backlinks. Quick overview. For your content, you want at least 1,500 words throughout your homepage filled with keywords. Now, those keywords are going to help you rank that whenever they search for Kansas City cleaning, duct cleaning, Kansas, or duct cleaning Kansas City, so on and so on. Now, these citations, any service page or a location page, you also want at least some 500 to 1,000, unless you want to rank it just like your home page, so you can beat out your competitors with your location pages and also service pages. People do that as well. So like dryer vent cleaning, they want to rent this or start linking this to the front page of Google. They can do that too with more content. Now, for your citations, like I said, you need more relevant sites, or at least 203 of them, 300 of them, double the amount that your competitor has, so you can start beating them out by a landslide. Now you're linked to, so you need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So, I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, I would like some feedback if this helped you at all, if it was valuable to you. And my name is Sergio. We talked earlier. My number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great one.